We are in Higashi Umeda or Umeda to see Kaneko. I know this is getting to be kind of a cliche. We're not lost. We now know where we're going. Yes, we got off a train station too early. That was a decision, not getting lost. I might have said this yesterday, but I'm pretty sure Osaka is now my favorite city. That's Osaka Station right there. Look how beautiful it is. The weather today, it's fantastic. So beautiful. Yeah, it's super windy. We gotta go to Umeda though, honestly.
Umeda?
Not Umeda, sorry, Nanba. Oh. It is fantastic. Oh my god, our kid's so cute. I miss like when my kids were that young, man. I'd pay serious dollars to be able to hang out with my daughters when they were younger. They were so fucking cute. I'm not even sure how we can get to this Rukua place without crossing the tracks. We made the right choice. I've never met Kaneko in Japan. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Yeah, honestly, Osaka's my favorite place. I like it better than Tokyo. Yeah. When you go to Umeda, you're gonna think the same. Not Umeda, god damn it, Nanba. I think this is it. Is. I don't see her. Over where? I don't feel like that's your Starbucks seating. That looks like I'm reading a book seating. 着いたんだけど見当たらないですね。今9階のスタバの中にいます。She said, おかしい. I don't know why it's おかしい. I'm like right here. Unless there's coincidentally a Starbucks up here and we're in the wrong spot. もう一つのルクアってあるの? Apparently there's another Rukua. We're not lost. We're not lost. We are in a Rukua on the 9th floor Starbucks. Apparently there's another one. Let's ask. すいません。ルクアってもう一つあるんですか? スタバがまた9階にある。はい。上がってっていうのは 10階の方に上がって。あ、これ上がって。わかりました。はい。ありがとうございました。Yes, there's another one. 今人に聞きました。確かにもう一つあるらしい。今向かってます。そのまま待ってください。ここもルクアですけど、同じルクア2つありまして、9階も2つともスタバあります。See? The world conspires against us. Do you think it's possible that I'm getting lost just so that the video can still be lost in Japan?
That'd be amazing.
How do we get down? All right, let's keep going. Now we just gotta find Starbucks on this floor. Oh, there it is. That other Starbucks was way better.
Oh, that's it.
向こうのスタバの方がもしいいよ。
はじめまして。取れない。
Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Osaka is so pretty. Oh my god. Wow. It's so clear today.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous. It's super bright though.
I mean, the weather is fantastic.
Yeah, you want to go up?
I don't know. Yeah, let's go up. No. Oh, it's just so pretty.
It's colder up here though.
Well, we got higher, you know. It's so high.
I imagine in summer it's probably pretty nice up here.
I'm not even sure how to get out of here properly, honestly. Dude, we can go up even further. There's some sort of farm up here? What is this? Dude, we're going all the way up. That building design's really pretty.
Yeah, it is.
Like the weird lips. I think there's a flower garden up here.
At the stairs though.
Jesus Christ. I shouldn't have ran. I'm exhausted. Mike, wait. What's weird how it's so beautiful but no one's up here. Oh, look, a bee. Oh, we can see this side too. I'm on top of the world. Yeah, Osaka is my favorite place right now. Hey, we're back in Nanba. I've got this guy with me. Okay. I just want to point out we're not lost. I'm just trying to figure out where we are. It's different from being lost. We need to be here until it gets dark too. Again, we are. Yes. Oh, we made it. Wait, that says 25. I think it's this way. The river. Oh, this is it. This is it. Yeah. Oh, there's the crab thing again. Yeah, Nanba's lit. Yeah, it's way more interesting than anywhere else. Yeah, this is what I want to show you though over here. Because you got a whole nother arcade down this way. I think you should get a picture in front of the crab, no? Oh my God, there's a Taco Bell. Taco Bell, we're gonna eat there later. I'm just kidding, I'm joking.
This is sweet.
Dude, at night, everything's lit up. It's amazing. Yeah, let's just walk down the river a little bit. Do you want to get on the Kandansha? I've never done it, so dude, we gotta do that. Oh my God, their teeth are like, that is the whitest teeth ever. Let's see. Let's ask them how we can get to the Kandansha. I feel like it could be right near the elevator. Let's try to find staff somewhere. This place is crazy. すいません。観覧車ってどうやって乗るんですか? 3階に上がればいいんですか? That's one of those words like you don't think you're ever going to use. Ferris wheel. 観覧車. 観覧車.
That's hard to say.
Yeah, the Japanese N is in the back of the throat, like nasal. Oh, there they are. お願いします。2人。チケット。
で、一般乗車券とこちら VR なんですよ。
ああ、VR いらないかな。見るだけで嬉しいと思うんですけど。
いいですか？
はい、
わかりました。多分、でも一個だけ持ってても面白いかもしれない。
面白い？
一つでも
You want to do VR on it?
今
Virtual
キャンペーン中な
reality?
んですよ。
What does that do?
I don't know. 何やってるんですか?
この VR かけていただくと、ゴンドラの外に出たような感覚を味わうことができます。
Oh, you'll feel like you're outside of the gondola?
Wow.
で今、キャンペーン中なんで、1600円が1000円でご乗車いただけるんですよ。だから一つだけ VR やっといて、もう一つ一般でも大丈夫です。
あ、これが一般で、これが VR?
だからシェアすることも。
Okay, okay. じゃあやってみよう。So we're gonna do one VR and one normal and then we could share. 何分ぐらい乗ってるんですか?
15分間あります。
15分。We have 15 minutes.
日本語上手ですね。
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
はい、ありがとうございました。これ目に合わせるんですよね。
そうですね。こちら説明いたしますね。
はいはい。
こちらでピントの調節になり
That's
ま
how
す。
you do the focus set right there.
こちらでテープになっているので、頭のサイズに合わせてください。
はい。
ここ、右側なんですけど、
はい。
ここ一回押していただくと、昼と夜の景色切り替わることができま
あー、どこ押すんですか?
す。ここパンって押してもらったら、
If you tap it, it's going to change to night to day.
Okay.
これ何回でも試してもらって大丈夫な
You
の
do
で、
it many times, don't worry about it.
ここにちっちゃいのがあるんですけど、これセンサーになっているので、かぶせたり触らないようにお願いします。
Yeah, don't touch this sensor.
先に映像
Or
が
cover it
して
up.
るので、
はい。
先にスタッフが渡してるんですけれども、
はい
この状態でずっとお待ちください。
はい
スタッフがこのベル鳴らすので、それ聞こえてからつけるようにお願いします。
Put it on when you hear the bell.
記念撮影やってるんですけれども、
はい
それ終わってからで大丈夫なので、
はい
この汚れ防止用のマスクをお願
はいい。
します。
はい。
この太い方が上になるように、こう目が
こうやっ
穴に入るようにお願いします、
はい
ね。。
これ2人分もらえるんですね。
大丈夫です。
はい
ありが。とうございます。
なんで
VR 2名様お願いします。どうぞお待たせしました。こちらお願いします。
いらっしゃ
はい。
あちらのゴンドラお願いします。
はい。
So they ring the bells, then we begin.
Yeah, just make sure that you.
I don't see anything. No, I'm seeing black and words.
So it's trying to tell you something?
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty weird, dude. It's really kind of blurry.
You have to rotate this up here. Rotate
Oh,
it.
it just went to nighttime. Yeah. Hold on.
Did you tap it? Don't forget to actually look outside.
Yeah, no, I think I'd rather do that actually.
Does it feel like you're outside of it? Is it worth it?
You can try it. Yeah, actually, it probably is. You can see more with this because there's nothing obstructing.
By the time I get this fucking thing on, we'll be done.
I
Oh,
know,
this goes
it's
around
like-
your ears.
Oh,
look.
really? Oh, geez.
That makes a lot more sense, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Oh my god. Holy shit! Oh, that's fucking cool, actually. Did you focus it?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
That's supposed to make it.
Like,
Holy! Oh my god! You have to look around. Did you look around? Holy
about it.
shit, that's awesome. Dude, what the fuck? Oh, what's the date time? Okay, fuck. Oh my god. Here, try it again.
Okay.
Dude, that's really cool. Here, no, straighten her up.
Oh yeah, that's kind of crazy, dude. Oh my gosh,
This is really cool. It's kind of cool.
It's kind of scary, honestly.
Right? Look behind you. What do you see? Does it show you something behind you?
Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna fall into like everything.
Yeah, well, I mean, when you have that on, we're really in danger with
That's
you.
what it feels like, dude. You're nowhere.
Oh, I left. I'm not here anymore. Ow.
Sorry.
Could you not hurt me? We are really high
this
up.
is actually amazing.
Dude, we are really fucking high up.
Are we? I'm scared wearing this.
Holy
honestly.
shit, we're high up. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Like, look behind you and
Holy
tell me you're not gonna don't freak out.
Oh my god. This is so cool. Everything. There's literally a wall here, but I can see everything.
Yeah.
I want night. Oh, it's so pretty. I want to do this again at night without the VR though. Can we
Oh,
go
there
back?
is a window in the back. I didn't know.
Is there? Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I want to get that. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god. What are we doing? Don't do that.
It's keeping us vertical.
Duh, I don't like it. I want to. Oh. Dude, this is pretty worth it, honestly. This is pretty cool. Yeah, this makes Osaka more awesome than Tokyo. Screw the Sky Tree. This is
Did you
amazing.
just speed up? Why does it feel like we're about
Oh, well, it's a roller coaster. I forgot to tell you, dude. はい、ありがとうございます。すごく楽しかったです。おいくらですか ?1000 円。Do we need this? Do we need this picture? I feel like we need this picture. Sure. じゃあお願いします。
For my dad.
For your dad? Yeah, we send it to your dad.
My mom.
And your mom.
My sister.
Here, hold this. And your sister. いや、楽しかったですよ。
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。
どうやって座るんですか中にこういう感じ
はい、どちらから飛びました？
アメリカです。
アメリカはどの辺ですか？
ラスベガス。
ベガス。なんか俳優さん似てますね。
ありがとうございます。
どうしてそんな日本語上手なんですか？
日本に9年間住んでました。奥さんも日本人です。
宮沢にはさんも。はい、こんにちは。お願いがあります。誰かと目が合ったら手を振りましょう。行ってきます。行ってきます。行ってきます。
行きます。バイ。
行ってきます。田沢町ベージ行ってきます。本日は道頓堀が観光遊覧船トンボリバクルーズご乗船ありがとうございます、ガイドの高橋、そして船長川又さん、どうぞよろしくお願いします。今から参ります緑の橋、日本橋です。日本橋、あの日本橋で U ターンします。そして come back, go west, go on the 9 bridges、 9つの橋をくぐって、そしてまた U ターンして帰っていきます。
So we're gonna do a U-turn. We go underneath 9 different bridges.
Oh yeah.
And then do a U-turn and come back.
So I heard the only thing I understood what he said was U-turn.
Me too. I made the rest up. Just gotta do a drift, man.
はい、こちら堺の方ですね。右手添右衛門町、添右衛門町、添右衛門町ブルース、おなじみですね。次の橋、相合橋、相合橋、Meet Your Partner Bridge。はい、観覧車です。イエロータウン。この観覧車楕円形です。世界で初めての楕円形の観覧車です。
Oh, that is the first oval Ferris wheel in the world.
This?
Yeah, the one
次
that
の
we
橋
were
が
on.
田沢門橋。田沢門橋。右手タコの看板です。アクトバスサインボードテライン。タコ、タコ、タコ、タコ、たこ焼き。次の橋が恵比寿橋。皆さん天童よしみさんご存知ですかね。そのヒットを出したトンボリ人情の鍵がそこにいます。この鍵に言い過ぎて左手の方がグイコの看板です。
That's gonna light up later on, so we're really careful.
後でねまた戻ってきますんでね。
It's a brand.
はい次の橋御堂筋です。御
Like a
堂筋。
like a
Osaka main
vitamin
highway.
water type thing.
次の橋見えますでしょうか。赤い欄干の中にのしを浮かべる和紙です。次の橋大黒橋。大黒橋ベージ。はい右手カニです。クラブサインボード。カニです。カニカニカニカニカニカニ。レッドクラブカニカニカニ。次の橋深リ橋。もうほとんど頭を打ってしまいますね。浮岩橋。フローティングガーデンブリッジ。この先 U ターンします。たくさんの体育文化がここを渡ってきました。漢字、日本語の漢字、仏教、から韓国からは医学、メディスン、そして、コンストラクションエンジニアリング、土木技術などもここ全部この海峡を渡ってきて、ここ大阪で上陸し、そして奈良、飛鳥に行って何百年何千人とここに行きます。はい、右手大きなビル、ラージビルディングとライト、八角形です。アクタデンシエビルディング。 駅構のうち駅1です。コンサートの夏になるとバーベキューをします。右手でなんで、そしてビアガーデン。この橋上が四つ橋筋。ずーっと下の方に地下鉄四つ橋筋線。アンダーグラウンド。そして水路。
Below this is the
そして高速道路。フリーウェイ。
the subway down
4つの
below.
交差点です。
どここの下にですか？
この下四つ橋筋ない。
And there's also 高速道路もあるんですか？
高速道路、さっき通ったやつ。
あ、これが高速道路だけど、
4-way intersection. This one, this one, this one, this one.
あ、これか。
はい。
It's not cold. It's freezing. So the girl is.
はい、次の橋右手にあるのが松竹座、大正12年建造の約100年前の西洋建築のビルです。今最近では歌舞伎などをやってますね。松竹座
They
ってい
do
う。
kabuki over there at that building with the three kanji. See it? With the green
御
logo.
堂筋に戻ってきました。バックトゥ御堂筋。
Kabuki.
有名
It's
なドラマが
all
10年
male
する
theater.
14万。
They dress up as women too.
たこ焼きアレルギー。
たこ焼き。たこ焼き。
召し上がれ、ボナペティ。皆さんお好み焼きを食べましたかね？
今から。
今からこれね、コテって言うんですよ。コテ
って言うんだ
コ。テファイヤー。これでね、これでチャップってこれ食べるの。このコテが橋の欄干でブリッジハンジェルにデザインされてわかります？上にコテ、たくさんのコテ。
あ、本当だ。
ね。
それわざと？
でこれがね、大阪でね、コテの橋、コテやな。コテって言うんです。
That's
Too much.
Kote for the. That was fun. All right, let's get some okonomiyaki. Come up. Good thing they filled up my cup properly. Come back. Oh, that air is amazing. Oh, it's delicious air. Oh yeah. Here's your kote. So good. You know what's gonna happen, right? Some Japanese YouTuber will find it and laugh his ass off at how we're eating this. Look at these stupid foreigners, man. They're using the kote as a fork.